Hi guys, thank you for joining me again on my YouTube channel. So this is a hairstyle I created today. Hopefully you guys will stick around for the video tutorial. It's something fast you could achieve at home. It's some jumbo braids in a bob cut. Okay, so I just pinned it up. You really require 3 packets of expression hair to achieve this hairstyle. You also need some hairpins because I pinned the side down. You can see on this side. Also you need your comb. What else? You need some accessory. If you're into accessory like me, you know I love to look bling up. So yes, you need some accessories. What else you need? You need your flat iron. I'm using a flat iron to do the ends. You could also use something like this. If you have this, you could use this, but I love using the flat iron because it gives me a neater look to the end. This is the first time I'm actually doing this hairstyle, so hopefully you stick around for this video tutorial. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Please share the video if you haven't yet. Yes, so yeah, so this is it. Okay guys, so I am about to complete this hairstyle. So what you require to achieve this hairstyle, I am using 3 packets of expression hair. The front I have the BU, color BU, BUG or BU, and I have 1B at the back. Okay, so you will require this one is Cream of Nature's edge control. Cream of Nature edge control. You'll require your comb so that you could do some separations. Yeah, so I am going to complete this. Right now I am live on Facebook, so I'm on YouTube and I am on Facebook. Yes, so I am about to complete this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think about it. I haven't completed as yet. I have to finish it. Yeah, you know, when I'm doing a hairstyle, hey. Yeah, so this color is a kind of BU. It's not really red. It's like a kind of purpley color. Yeah, so I am recording on my camera and on Facebook as well. So yes, so yeah, so let me just show you guys. So this is expression braid. I'm just going to do the last one right there, so you can see it's jumbo. Just do the last one. The last one, I'm going to take some edge control just for the root so that it looks a little bit smooth. Yes guys, new hairstyle. How you go? How's it going? Today I came a little bit early. So I am doing it this size. You can see this size. Yes, I'm just trying something new. Yeah, something new. So this is the last one. Let me show you guys what I am doing, how I am braiding it. So this is it, the last one. I am braiding it really tight. Let me put on my oh, it's not on. I will show you guys how I am doing the ends. So some jumbo braids. I'm recording in my camera as well. To achieve this hairstyle, you have to make sure you braid your hair very, very tight. So you could see how tight I am doing this, really tight and very close. So you understand? See how neat and tight it is? Because remember, I am not putting it in hot water. I'll show you how I am doing the ends. So you could see it's very, very tight. This is actually the first time I am doing this hairstyle in my head. I just wanted something different today. Just want to show you guys different versatile hairstyle I could do, you know, at home. Then I'm gonna add some blings to it, you know, and show you guys how it's gonna look. Hope you love this hairstyle. The color, first time I'm trying out this color, I am going to style it. So now that I've reached about where I want it to reach, I don't use the you know, you could use the fire touch cigarette lighter. I am just using like this. This is what I am using, my flat iron. Clean it up anywhere that have any flyover. You could see I'm cleaning it up because I'm not putting it in hot water. And then what I am doing, I am just going like this, just so that it is sealed. I am sealing it with the flat iron. This is how I seal it. And then I just take my scissors and then cut it where it is sealed. That is it. Okay, and then you could take the flat iron again. You want it to have little curls, you know, you just pull it up a little. Okay, so that's it. Put on some mousse. Hairstyle done. I'm gonna put some mousse in it. I am gonna add some more, you know, those braid accessories. Just add a few more to it just to give it a little life. Yeah, and then we're going to style it up. Just put some blings random places. So how you liking it so far? Some blings. So I'm just rolling it around like so. If you have some hairpins, you could use some hairpins and pin it in place. Pin it in place. this one. I'm gonna pin it, like go around like so. I just decided to try something new. Let's do this one. Pin it in place like so. Are you liking it? How is it looking? How is it looking, guys? Different hairstyle you could achieve at home. Okay. I wonder if I should do some on this side. Let me see. I'm gonna see how this side is gonna look. Okay, let's see how this side is gonna look. Do I roll it like this? Like this, and pin it up. Not sure how it looking. Let me know. You could. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Not sure. Okay, let me fix up this one. I'm trying to rush because my camera. Let me make sure you see how this looks, and then this one I will pull it up. So like this. Share the video, guys. Share it if you can. Because I think it's a really nice hairstyle. I'm gonna post a video on how to really achieve it. What do you think? You think I should leave it like this? How does it look? Okay. So this is basically, yeah, so I'm going to do some baby hair something at the front. So basically this is a completed look. Is it okay? I hope it's looking okay. Remember, I'm just doing this. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. So yeah, that's basically, I think it looks okay. Oh, do you like it? Okay. Alright, thanks. So this is the hairstyle for today. Okay. Yeah, this is the hairstyle. Something fast. I just pinned it up a little. Okay. How are you guys loving it? How are you guys doing? Okay, so let me just record. Okay. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Please share the video if you haven't yet. Yeah, so yeah. So this is it. Oh, my baby just woke up. So guys, thanks again.